Noticed your players rocking mysterious black boots in FC26 career mode? You are not alone, and yes, it's fixable. Let's get those boots back to their stylish glory. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today, we are going to show you how to fix black boots glitch in EA Sports FC26 career mode. Let's dive in. Method: fix black boots issue in career mode. Launch FC26 and go to main menu. Navigate to settings, select create player. Use the right stick to flick right until you reach edit real players. Choose a league and team. Scroll through the leagues and pick the one your career mode team belongs to. Select the team you are using in career mode. Now, once you have selected the team, edit player appearance. Once inside the team roster, select a player, switch to the kit tab. Next, you need to change boots and accessories. Press right trigger or R2 to remove the boots and accessories tab. Choose the desired boots for the player. This overrides the default black boots glitch. Press the menu or options button to save. Once done, confirm that the changes are applied. You can repeat this for each player affected in your career mode squad. Once saved, the boots should appear correctly in the matches. And that's a wrap. Those were the top fixes for the black boots issue in FC26 career mode. If your players are finally back in proper gear, give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more game-saving tips. Drop a comment below to let us know which fix worked for you. It could have saved someone else hours of frustration. Thanks for watching Silicophilic, and we will catch you in the next one.